जाई जाने
आगे आगे आ जाओ तुम्हारा
जाई जाने जाई जाने जाई जाने जाई जाने जाई जाने
अच्छा तुम्हारा हॉट केक क्या है लाइक यू नो सेलिंग में अभी लोग सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद कर रहे हैं
चाट ले रहे हैं
चाट ले रहे हैं
और ये भी
Her chart is the best, and her bun kebab and sandwiches actually are to die for.
wow they all look amazing thank you
और मैं ये यही देख के आई हूँ आज यहाँ पर because I was feeling so hungry and
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
चाट भी बहुत अच्छा
what are you getting mama what are we getting
we will get everything but for now don't worry about what you have to get but I just wanted to highlight Aisha's thing and Aisha will tell herself about her what's the product why you started and just tell me briefly
about your journey.
about your journey
well I just started like not even a year ago and बस खाने का शौक है पकाने का शौक है तो बस बना लिया but mostly my thing is to do the table setup and stuff at the events and stuff like mandi ho shadi ho you know that's what I'm trying to get to set up all this like for people not just for the stall
yeah and if I'm not mistaken I think it's less than 1 year now right
how many पूरा एक साल का
एक साल हो गया oh nice seriously
We love her work.
yeah
And we also really encourage her because Rabbi party करती थी, we used to try it out. Then we, suggested her to catering करे because she's multi-talented, mashallah.
I know I love her
cheese
not the
is
product
so
but I love
tasty,
her
guys. You
She's a
should
good
try
human
it.
being mashallah yeah
She is, mashallah. और अभी I've got eyes on everything.
इतने सारे लोगों को एक जगह पे एक
just
प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाना इट्स अ बिग थिंग खाने तो हमेशा खाएंगे ऐसे थोड़ा सा देना हो जाए जरा
Taste plus presentation.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल माशाल्लाह
thank you so much
okay so we are here
Holiday
Inn yeah so we are just having some snack bites from Aisha Lucky Moon so this is sandwich this is burger with samosa and this is chaat and this is again sandwich
जाई जाने जाई जाने जाई जाने
आपने खुद बनाया
जाई जाने जाई जाने जाई जाने जाई जाने
and she's Monaza and she can explain the product very well yeah
So these all are semi-precious natural stone malas, which are all handmade by me, and I also do customization according to your needs, like longer or shorter. And yeah, so this is all about creative stuff with semi-precious, all natural stones. And then I have these fashion trendy jewelry, like in AD and so all this. Yeah. So this is all handmade with, like, this is also a stone. These are aventurine stones.
Okay.
So I linked them.
How much
with
is this one?
This one is 125.
125. Do you have a small like this or no?
I can make it on customization.
And how much it will be? That means.
Like that will
Like
come
this size?
to, this size will come to $90. Yeah, ये भी एक सेल हुआ है, ये मैंने उनको दिखाने के लिए कहा।
अच्छा दिखाओ मैंने.
The shine is like really nice.
And the polish will remain forever, or it will fade out. Yeah. It depends on the user. No perfume.
Yes, exactly. No water. Keep it in storage, so it will last you longer time. But the one I have, the minimalist type, that one is anti-tarnish, waterproof. You can wear it every day. It doesn't change the color. So
These are the one, right? The
yes,
color
these
one.
are.
Yeah, how about this one?
Both eyelines.
Okay.
So one is handmade jewelry and the other one is fashion trendy jewelry. Apples है.
सबसे cheap कौन सी है?
सबसे cheap जो ये वाली आपको 80 की मिल जाएगी. अच्छा. और ये वाला आपको 70 का मिल जाएगा. ये रियल पर्स में है.
Okay.
ये वाला आपको 80 का मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. और ये वाला भी आपको 80 का मिल जाएगा. और ये भी 80 का मिल जाएगा. ये अकीब और कैट आई में 80 का.
I'm thinking of for me this one. 80.
So where the stones from? These stones are like I get it some locally from Canada and some from India, some from Pakistan. So different. It comes from different countries.
So inshallah I will come back for this.
Yeah, sure, inshallah. Definitely. I will contact you.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Oh, thank
for the
you so
remaining
much.
day. I think till 12 you guys are here.
Yes, we are here till 10 p.m.
Till 10. Okay. All right.
जाई जाने ओ मोर डाउन नच मारेगी
Just tell about your brand.
Hi, my name is Aisha Kiran and I'm the owner of the brand Aisha Kiran. It's basically a Pakistani brand and we have our own production unit in Lahore, Pakistan. We make comfortable and trendy dresses for women of all ages and of all types. We want everybody to afford the dresses, so our dresses are very comfortable, material is very pure and it's very affordable.
Yeah, and
so,
the prices are good.
And yeah, prices are good. Yes.
good, yeah.
Yes. So please do come to visit our store. I have an online website aishakiran.ca and then I have my Instagram page Aisha Kiran Official. So please do follow that.
And how long Asha you are doing this?
I'm doing this for around 10 years now, but from the past 5 years I've expanded it worldwide. So I do exhibitions all over the world, in Dubai, in USA, in London and Lahore as well. In Canada, I live in Canada, so yes.
What about the shipment within Canada? Is
So,
it like
so shipping within Canada is, if you're placing an order with me, the shipping is free. And if you're buying anything and you want it to be sent it within GTA, it's $20. But, sorry, Canada-wide is $20.
yeah,
Canada-wide is $20.
$20?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Let's have a look. All the best, inshallah. I'll wait for my suits.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
But you just take a short.
जाई जाने
अब आपने किसका करना होगा तो आप मुझे बताना, मैं आपको
For sure, for sure, for sure. Inshallah.
मैं आपके साथ कुछ आपके साथ ले लेती हूँ so that
जाई जाने ओ
She is Gunjan and she's from India. She has a beautiful collection of clutches and what handbags and porty bags. And she's been doing this business since 5 years. And she herself will tell you how long she is doing, what kind of products, and yeah.
Absolutely. So my name is Gunjan. I'm from Clutch It Handbags. We have been doing this for 5 years now. Our specialty is only clutch handbags because what we feel is having the perfect handbag to complete your look is very important.
Yeah.
So we have huge variety and we think that we have a bag for every personality.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
come and shop us. We
Very
have
nice
resin,
collection.
we have handmade, we have metal, we have flap bags, with so much more.
My personal favorite is this one, Maria. You should take this one.
There you go. So this is one of our
I like
resin
it. You know,
bags.
this is trendy and it's different. And I like this one also. This one, Maria.
Yeah. Can you open it? Yes. Show the.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very spacious,
Quality
can fit your
inside.
phone.
Yeah, you can keep your
Comes with a
phone.
very high quality chain. It's
Yeah.
not cheap looking, so that's
Yeah.
another good
It's
point.
good, yeah.
Yeah. So you will always
It's very
love it.
elegant and decent one, yeah.
Yeah. You can follow them on Clutch It. Find them on Instagram.
So inshallah, thank you so much, Gunjan, and inshallah all the very best rest of the day. And we are going to buy. You know, I'm telling her to take this one and let her finish.
जाई जाने
Okay. Thank you.
मैं खुश तो ऐसे हूँ जैसे मेरे लिए नहीं है, एक भी पीस मेरा नहीं है, सॉरी।
हमारे लिए